Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to go over my long cranking issues with the Mach. I never experienced that before, so let me show you what I got. I got a crank sensor and a cam sensor. I got this off Rock Auto, both less than 50 bucks, which is good OEM. And I'm going to show you the issue that I have. I never experienced this. It's like when I crank it, the car cranks for a while before it starts. So maybe those two things at 50 bucks, it's no biggie. So let's crank it up so I can show you. While I'm at changing all the parts, I might as well change the O2s, and also bought idler air controller because the one that I have on there is a little bit too much of a carbon buildup inside, so I might as well get this one. It's actually OEM at 49 bucks. It's a pretty decent price. I got most of these parts on a Rock Auto, and these are going to be the fronts, these are going to be the rears, these are actually the Motorcraft OEM, and these are the Bosch's, the front. So 22 bucks, 33 bucks at O'Reilly, so not that bad. So let's change that. I'm not sure if I'm going to show much of changing this, but it's kind of hot in the garage, so let me just do this quickly. Now that I want to show you the symptoms, it starts right up. But anyways, let's change those sensors. They're really easy to change. Alright, so under the car, get your belt off the AC compressor, and then there's 3 bolts on the AC compressor. They're 13 mils, so get them loose so it comes down, so that way you can get to the sensor, which is right here. Alright, here is the crank sensor. So got the 8 mil out. Now you just gotta get the screw in there, pop it out a little bit like that, and I'm gonna have to move the compressor a little bit more, so I need 2 hands for this to get it out. Let me do that. So here is the old one. You can't really see if it's broken or not because it's magnetic, but let's put a new one in and we'll know later. Put a little bit of oil on the o-ring, so now we're just gonna pop it back in the hole and button everything up. So crank sensor is on. Now we get to take off the cam position sensor, which is gonna be on the driver's side, which is left side. Cam, it's gonna be right there. Same thing, 8mm, unplugs and pulls out. Alright, here is the old one, here's the new one. You can't really tell any difference, but let's install this bad boy in and see how that's gonna react. Alright, so underneath the car, the back oxygen sensors are easy to access right here, and this side, the upstream one are up there, and this one is easy to unplug as well. Kind of gotta squeeze your hand in there, but the one on the driver's side is a bitch. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to remove the exhaust from the manifolds. So that's what I'm gonna do. There's like 4 15mm screws. These 2 are a piece of cake, these 2 are not so much. Alright, let me do that. I got the exhaust off. As you can see, easy to get to the side, but on a passenger side it's really tight to get a connector all the way up there, because nowhere you can squeeze your hand in there, so it's gonna be fun. Alright, first start,